We're gonna start nice and early. It's just gone 8 o'clock. It's weekend, kids are still asleep. And we're gonna open up the house. That's how I lock it at the moment. Yesterday's progress. Done all the edges. All the way. I can't go further because it's so muddy. But yeah, all the way. I'll show you in the front a bit. I might be putting the extra layer here because it's floating on now, but that's how our house is set up. But all this done, and all this is done as well. So this is the colour of the house. Let's see how dry it is. Has it dried overnight? It has dried a bit, so we can work with that. If we need to clean, we can just brush it away. So all the things that were done yesterday. Windows, hopefully this is going to go up. This is the lintel cover. This is the window trims. These are the ceiling trims. Here comes my comrade.
Hello. Oh.
It's a little bit chilly. Let's
What's it say the temperature is? 5 degrees, yeah, it's definitely 5 degrees. What do you think?
Very good. Are you happy to put
That was the worst one
How's it?
that I started with.
So today has been quite a successful day. Gonna tackle the window frames next. So we decided to fill it with the
This stuff's crazy, I hate it.
foaming thingy. How quickly does it dry? So we're gonna cut it off afterwards. But yeah.
Oh, bad.
That's nice.
No, it's gone crazy. What are you supposed to do with this? It's just gonna do, look.
Can't even get the nozzle in there, can you?
This is the outtakes.
So we're working indoors today a little bit. We've done the frames. We had to cut a little bit shorter so that they're gonna frame it nicely. And then 2 up there as well. They're not a perfect fit, so last night as well we decided to put some silicone in here just to make it more watertight, wind tight. We're gonna stick some foam in this hole, and as I previously said, we've got some Hello Fresh filler that we filled that gap on top of the door.
Gloves.
They're the right gloves. Very fancy.
Great!
Done some tidy up as well, so all our tools are in this little box. And we're keeping our rubbish in here, so site is clean now. Ready to lay floor, hopefully.
Oh, so we've not used this stuff. You've got to have a very easy finger. It's not semi-automatic, you know.
Do you want to shake it beforehand?
Maybe.
Could add some macarena song behind that.
It's got to be upside down according to the instructions, which is really awkward when it comes to this. Oh, there we go. Told ya.
Good. Hole is cut.
Any holes filled?
So without filming, we've done the lintel cover. It was a little bit plain with the fascia cover, and then lintel was alright. We're going to put some trims in the ceiling. Have you got 70 screws? What's your view on it, Han?
Huh?
Better side has got cracks in it, so we could
It's got what in it?
cracks.
Cracks.
But the other side is a little bit dodgier. Are you leaving cracks visible, or put the other side?
Would you not just sand it down on the one side?
Yeah, we can do that.
Making the...
Ready? Got all your tools?
Are you holding it now?
Yeah.
Slide it away from it, that's it.
Good. 2 hours later. wanted to see. Oh, moved. Nail again, is it? Might as well be working inside today because it's just raining. It's decided to rain today. It's nice and cozy here. You do it. Look up as well, isn't it?
Huh?
Look up there.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Good.